Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and today we're gonna be doing a simple already wig from SHEIN. I kid you not, y'all, this wig is so simple. All you gotta do is take it out of the box and put it on. But let's show you guys some of the stuff that I got with the wig. I got this lace glue called Bold Hold. I also got this edge wax stick, a jar of edge control gel, lace glue remover, this edge brush, also a pair of velcro elastic band for the edges. Lastly guys, I got a pair of wig cap. So here's the wig, you guys, and let me just tell you what I absolutely love about it. I love that it came pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-part for you. You don't really have to do much to it before putting it on. It has this elastic band strap on it to hold it onto your head, and what I love about it, it's adjustable from both sides. And as you can see right here, I'm showing you guys that you could adjust it from either side. So this wig doesn't have any clips in it, but you won't miss that. And also the lace is cut in a zigzag pattern, which is gonna be nice. You won't be able to notice the lace too easily. And the length of this hair, I believe, is 26 inches, but I'll get that for and leave it in the description box for you guys. I must also note that the lace is pre-bleached, but the knot is pre-bleached, but I'm gonna be adding some contour powder onto it for myself, because I just wanted to match my tone better, especially because I wear contour powder on my forehead when I do my makeup. So here in this video, I'm adding the contour powder onto the lace, as you can see, and I just use the brush to lightly dab it in, or push it into the lace, and that works. Now I'm gonna also add some of the contour powder onto my stocking cap, just to match the tone, if you know what I mean. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on and fix it to my liking. In other words, I'm gonna just move it around on my head and set it in place. Y'all, you see that? I really didn't have to do much to it, and already it's looking so good. I know the lace is showing a little bit, so I'm gonna go back over that with some of the contour powder just to fix it. Before I do that, I'm gonna use the edge wax stick that they sent with the hair, and if you guys watch my video enough, you will know that I'm just gonna rub it up in my hand and glide it over the hair, and this usually works so good for me. It helps with the flyaway hair. It just kind of smooth out the hair, holds it together, and just make it look so good. I'm also applying some on the front hair just to hold down the hair on the edges a little bit. I'm not gonna be using my flat iron because, as you can see, y'all, I don't need it. So not my flat iron, but my hot comb. I'm not gonna be using that on the edges like I usually do, because I really don't need it. This hair, you could just wear it straight from the pack. Just add a little bit of this and that to it. That's all. As you can see, guys, I'm so excited about the turnout of the hair. I was not expecting this, especially from SHEIN. I wasn't thinking that they have wigs looking like this, or wigs that's this easy to go on. But here I'm adding the contour powder, like I said before, just to tone down the color of the lace. I'm also going to be rubbing the edge wax stick all over the hair. Well, after rubbing it in my hand, and you guys going to see the difference real quick between the right side and the left side. Like, y'all, look at that. Can you see that? Okay, let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I could literally just stop right here because it looks perfect already, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one more thing to it. I'm gonna curl some of the hair in the front just so it will frame my face just the way I like it. And the way I curl my hair, I curl it going away from my face, and this is gonna give it the look that I'm going for. Like I said, I'm only gonna be curling a few in the front because the wig already is curly, so I don't need to be curling everything. Those curls are popping. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera. Now I'm gonna use my fingers just to comb through the curls and, you know, just set the hair how I want it. At this point, y'all, this is all I will be doing to the wig today, and I'm so happy with the outcome of it. Like, there's really nothing more I need to do to it. So yes guys, this is the finished look. I'm all done, and look at how beautiful this wig looks. Can you believe it's glueless? I needed no adhesive, nothing to hold it down except for the elastic band that comes in the back of it. Look at how gorgeous it looks in the back. Look at how full it is. The curls are so beautiful. It's so bouncy, and all I can say is it's perfect. Yes guys, 100% glueless, no adhesive needed for this wig from SHEIN. And here I'm doing the comb under the lace test because I gotta show you guys that we have no glue on this lace. Also picking it up off of my skin. I hate doing this part because then I gotta fix it again, but yeah, there's no glue. Done. So yes guys, if you want a wig like this, head over to SHEIN human hair wig right now and go get yourself one. I will link this one in the description box. I will also leave their website link so you could go there and find other wigs that they sell. I'm also gonna be leaving my discount code because I know you guys love it when you get that little discount off your purchase, because why not? If you have any question, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. I will do my best to respond to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.